This is Mrs. Reister with your key for your turn number 2. Question A, we are going to convert -2 4/9 into a decimal. And then we need to specify whether it is a repeating decimal or terminating decimal. So I've already got the first part started where I have the integer already expressed in decimal form, which is to the left of the decimal point. And then I'm going to convert 4/9 into a decimal by dividing. So 9 goes into 40 4 times, which is 36. Subtract, get 4, bring down the 0. 9 goes into 40 again 4 times, 36. I'm noticing a pattern here. And I can tell here that I've got 4 repeating. So in my decimal answer here, it becomes -2.4, and because it's repeating here, I'm going to put the repeating sign up above for my final answer. And then we have B. I can already, in my decimal answer, put my integer to the left of the decimal point, and then again, I'm going to take 7/8 and divide 7 divided by 8, add my decimal point. I usually start with 3 zeros, bring up the decimal point. All right, so 8 goes into 70 8 times, which is 64. 8 goes into 60 7 times. And 8 goes into 40 5 times, and it comes out evenly. So I can add my decimal here for my final answer of 7.875. And I'm going to abbreviate with a T that this is a terminating decimal, where in A, it is a repeating decimal.